like the spirit of the Romanian students and dancers. They are very optimistic, they're very powerful, they like to dance, and also they know how to take it. You know, to learn our job, it's not the easiest thing. So you need to have endurance, you need to have power, you need to have intelligence, you need to love music, you need to love dancing. That is what we're looking for, and that is what we are seeing in the Romanian kids. The meaning of the workshop is, of course, exchange also of opinions, also professional opinions between Lorelei and me. And the other part of the meaning is clear, to pass information, professional information from my side, from my experience, running a professional school like the Zurich Tanz Akademie, which is one of the top school education centers in Europe. What I think is important for that age group I'm teaching. I got the invitation by Lorelei Bari, who is the director of the Sylphide Ballet School, situated here in Bucharest. And as we have a number of students in our school from Romania and also from Bucharest, I was quite interested about the city and the school. And so I followed the invitation by Lorelei. This is my direction, this will be my head, and this will be my curious. Hi, good, and one, and yeah. The kids I have seen from the school, it's very difficult for me to say how they were prepared, because I didn't really know who is coming from the school, which I like very much from Lorelei, that she didn't tell me who is coming from her school. But generally, the level of all kids, including the kids of this school, was very good ones for that age group. Click, bump, exactly, and when you ask me what drives me in my profession, which I have now, is that I like to bring my passion for dance to the kids of this century, of our time, and to give them all information to be able to succeed later as professional dancers in their field. I think this is one of the major meaning in my life.